welcome back, guys. If you're new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, push notifications on so you get notified every time we upload a video. So we just got to Cleveland. We're staying at the Residence Inn. It's really, really cold, so we're actually just gonna go inside, give you a little tour, show you around the hotel. All right, come on.
We ended up getting I believe, 1-bedroom suite.
Yes.
So it's a suite with a bedroom in it.
With 2 beds.
With 2 beds. So honestly, it's huge. We even got a kitchen. So we ended up taking a walk around the hotel itself. And the hotel is huge. It even has a marketplace within it. And within the marketplace, we found out that the hotel includes a gym and as well as free breakfast in the mornings, which is a plus. 10 out of 10 would recommend to go back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn your push notification on so you get notified every time we upload a video. Thank you.